He may be bald. He may have a beard. He may even be aggressive. But we love watching his videos. Hello, it's Luke here again for another Inspirational Nomad review. Inspirational Nomad, helping people relocate, downsize, and basically just improve their life. So today's topic was remember the winter in the summer. So what does this mean? Well, basically, to start off, I've always wondered why the northern countries of Europe, such as Finland, Sweden, and Norway, had a lot better economies than countries in the south, for example, Spain, Italy, and Greece. The English people have a stereotypical image going on of these southern countries as being lazier, they work less, they work slower. And it's, 9 times out of 10, that is true. Why is that though? Is it the education? Is it the culture? Is it the weather? Why is it? Well, for whatever the reason, in England, when the summer arrives, people are lazier. People do forget about certain responsibilities. People do, take long walks instead of, studying or doing what they should be doing. This is just the effect that it has. And, I think it's a good thing. We should enjoy the summer. But what we should not forget is that the winter brings longer days and shorter nights. So that's more time to do what we really need to do to improve our life. And we can also enjoy it more because it's not going to be raining or snowing. So as you said, when the good times are high, we should be motivated. We should work hard. So when that bad time does come, when that storm does come, we would have been prepared for it. We should be putting the pedal to the metal like you correctly said. So that when the storm does come, when the winter does come, it won't knock us down. It won't affect us. It's the same for situations too. When people feel depressed, when they're having a bad moment in their life, whether emotionally or financially, then they get motivated. Then they pull up their socks. They're like, oh, dang, we have to get out of this. We have to get out of this situation. We have to improve. But why can't people have this mentality while they have a lucky spree, while they're doing good in life? So when this bad situation happens, when the depression hits, if they lose their job, unfortunately, and they have like a bit of a financial issue, it won't affect them as much because they would have prepared for it. They would have had everything that they need to survive. But that's how people are. So a few years ago, when the economy was really good in Spain, people could earn really good money in construction. So what happened was, while the times were good, the people quit, what they should have been doing, and which was studying. They quit it and they went to work on the construction site for like 30 euros an hour or something. But when the recession hit, they lost their job. They didn't have any experience with any other work. They didn't have any other studies. So what did they do? They couldn't do anything. They were depressed. They were sad. What could they do? By then it was too late. While the going was good, they should have studied. They should have prepared for the storm. They should have done the things that they needed to do so they wouldn't be in that situation. It's the same goes for life. Do what you have to do to improve your life right now. There's never a better time. The best time is right now. Thanks, Sam.